The average person drives around for 9 days with the check engine light on before taking the car in for service or telling their significant other. I hope my wife is listening to this one. That in a report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe to get the latest information. According to researchers, 69% say they would still use their car for a takeout run if their vehicle needed to be serviced. The survey of 2,000 drivers also revealed the average person drives 7,460 miles before changing their oil. That's more than the typical recommended distance of 5,000 miles. Well, it wasn't making that big of a noise, dear. I just thought I'd run down there with the muffler dragging on the back of the car. And with newer cars, the oil change thing has gotten way better than it used to be. 47% of Americans have been late or missed an event due to a vehicle malfunction. Among those mishaps, half of those drivers couldn't make it to work on time. 35% have missed a birthday celebration. 32% have missed a get-together with friends, all due to auto trouble. I think we need to find out who they asked. I'd love to be at little Susie's piano recital, but, the car's broke. I just checked. It's broke. In spite of so many breakdowns, 4 and 5 think that they take good care of their vehicles. See? Kind of makes you think that those are the breakdowns of convenience. Oh, your dog's birthday party? I just can't. The car won't start. It's a darn thing. Fun fact, 1 in 4 Americans have not had their vehicles serviced in the past 12 months. Why, you ask? Well, you came to the right place. Over half of respondents admit that maintaining their set of wheels is intimidating. 45% add that it's the expense that keeps them from getting their car fixed. A quarter say they just don't have the time to wait around for their car to be fixed. But I'm sure they have plenty of time to wait for a tow truck. 1 in 3 drivers blame their lack of knowledge. Now, does that mean I don't know what a check engine light means? And 3 in 10 claim their technician's attitude keeps them out of the repair shop. Now, I would agree with that one there. It's kind of reminds you of the old Vacation movie, doesn't it?
What I owe you?
How much you got?
No, I'm asking how much the repairs are.
Find more detail on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.